Hello everyone, welcome to Graphite Planet. So in this lecture, we will learn how to configure the built-in firewall on your Mac system and why it is important for security. So let's start. So first of all, what is a firewall? A firewall is a security mechanism that monitors incoming and outgoing network traffic. It acts as a barrier between your computer and the internet that blocks unauthorized access while allowing safe communication. So why a firewall is needed? Hackers often use automated tools to scan thousands of systems for open ports. If a port is open, it can be exploited. The firewall closes unnecessary ports and protects your Mac from unauthorized access. When you request a web page or send an email, your Mac sends data packets to a server. The server responds by sending packets back. Your Mac reassembles these packets within seconds to display the content. A firewall filters harmful packets during this process. To enable the firewall, click on the Apple menu. Open System Preferences, then select Security and Privacy and then click on the Firewall tab. Click the lock icon and enter your administrator credentials. Now click Start to enable the firewall. A green indicator confirms that the firewall is active. For advanced firewall settings, click on the Advanced Settings, then enable the option to automatically allow signed software to receive incoming connections. This ensures trusted applications function properly. Then enable the stealth mode. This prevents your Mac from responding to ping requests and port scans, making it harder for attackers to detect your system. Now, the final step. Click OK and close System Preferences. Your Mac is now protected using the built-in firewall. So this brings us to the end of this lecture. So that was all from me. Thank you so much for watching and stay secure. Goodbye.